Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to learn vocabularies. You know what, there are so many people who want to know that from where we can understand, we can know that how many vocabularies are needed to have, how many vocabularies are needed to learn for speaking English language. They think that from where we will get the vocabularies, daily uses vocabularies, because there are many types of vocabularies are available and we are unable to understand that which type of vocabularies we should have and from where we can get those daily uses vocabularies. So in this video I'm going to share with you a very important trick. With the help of that trick you can easily get those vocabularies, you can easily learn those vocabularies, and that is very easy. Okay, so first of all, if I talk about the people who are beginners, who has started learning English language earlier, so for those people this video is very beneficial and very important. So keep watching this video till the end and you are going to learn many more things in this video. So first of all, if I talk about the people who want to learn English language and they are just searching, they are finding that how many vocabularies are needed to have and from where we will get those vocabularies, those daily uses vocabularies. So listen to me carefully. You know what, it's a very simple trick. Even whatever we are speaking in our mother tongue, we are speaking a lot of daily uses vocabularies in a whole day. How many vocabularies we use, even we are unable to understand that how many vocabularies we are using, we are unaware about it. So if I talk about that how you can understand, how you can learn that how many vocabularies are needed to have, so see, a very simple trick. Listen to me carefully. Simply you have to have your phone, you have to have your phone. Do you know the meaning of this? Yes, you should have your phone and just start recording the voice of the people. I know I have mentioned it in my previous video as well, but it is beneficial. Listen to me carefully. Just record the voice of the people, of your family members, of your people who are in your surrounding. If you want to learn different types of vocabularies, see, if you want to learn those very useful and daily uses vocabularies, so you need to record the voice of your family members. Like for example, if any family member is doing something, is speaking something with someone else, so they are using different types of vocabularies, daily uses vocabularies, whole day what kind of conversation they are having with each other. So while having the conversation they are speaking different kind of vocabularies. So at the same point you need to record, you should record those voices. Record the voice and don't record very long voice, just record very short. Like you will not have to record all the thing, simply you have to record for at least 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, it is up to you. And just listen it carefully. When you will listen it, then you will one by one you will get those vocabularies, those daily uses vocabularies. Just they will be speaking in Hindi language, you need to translate it into English language. And must remember one thing, when you will learn those vocabularies in Hindi language, when you will listen and you will translate it into English language, so when you will write it in your notebook so don't write first of all English, first of all write Hindi and then write English in front of the Hindi. Getting the point? You know what happens sometimes, we learn English language and in our beginning days when we speak English language, so it happens many times and it happens to so many people. You know, when we start learning English language, when we start speaking English language, if someone asks us about the about the English meaning of Hindi, if someone asks, first of all, if someone asks us the Hindi meaning of English word, so we are able to answer that yes. If someone asks us like tell me the Hindi meaning of play, then simply you can say yes, play means khelna, you can say that play means khelna. But if someone asks he uses Hindi word and he asks English word, he says that tell me the English meaning of this word. So sometimes what happens, our mind goes blank. Our mind goes blank that what is the English meaning of this word. We just forget for a while. Even we had that knowledge, we had that word, we had that what is the English meaning of that word, but just because of not having the thought in our mind, we just forget, we become unaware about that word. Like what could be the meaning, what could be the meaning of this word, we just forget. So it happens so many times. You may have seen in your daily life, whenever someone asks you, someone may have asked you any type of word in Hindi language, he may be saying that tell me the meaning of English language of this word. So you may be suffering, you may be struggling while telling the English meaning of that word. Tell me honestly. And see that the same thing happened to us in our exams as well. When we write the exam in our schools, so at that time when we are writing the English exam, we are just writing. So at the time we have in our exam there is a passage in Hindi language, like you have to translate it into English language. So when we just read it, when we read that passage, so at that time our mind, for a while our mind goes blank that oh my god, what is the English meaning of these words. Sometimes it happens to us. But when we learn the English passage, the passage which is written in English language, so we are comfortable while translating that. You may have seen when you will be translating English into Hindi, then you will be more comfortable. But when you will translate Hindi into English, then you will have to face problems. So that is why I am saying that just translate Hindi into English. Getting the point? That is why I am saying that first of all write Hindi language and then write English language. And what I was saying that when we write that exam in English language, so we forget the English meanings of those words. Even we had knowledge about that, although we are aware about that word, but still we are unable to write all the things in English language because our mind goes blank that I don't know what is the English meaning of this word. So that is why I'm saying that if you are able to understand English language, if you are able to translate English into Hindi, so now it is your turn to translate Hindi into English. If you are able to speak some of the things in English language, if you are able to translate English into Hindi, then try to translate Hindi into English, and it will make you speak definitely, and your English will be improved. You can see it, you can just examine this thing. Okay, so that is why I'm saying that if you will translate Hindi into English, then your English journey will be little easier. Getting the point? So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.